Soon we will be having our summer camp. So many kids will come to the school here to attend the summer camp. During the summer camp, we have a lot of activities with the volunteers inside the class and then outside the classroom. We have activities like playing games, puzzles, drawing, painting, coloring, water balloon. Normally, we also have dancing music during the summer camp. We really need volunteers to come and then be part of the summer camp, because we learn from them and they also learn from us. We also have a meal that we normally organize during the summer camp. The school is open. It's not only for the ones that are attending here, as I said. It is for everybody. It is very, very important to have the summer camp here in the school, because some of the parents cannot afford meal for all of the family. Then when we have this summer camp, is the time that parents will be bringing their kids to the school here during the summer camp.